Thank God we're finally home.
Just go inside and rest. You've been on your feet all day.
Mama, what? How dare you leave the house without cooking for me? Is that why you slapped me? Is that why you treated me that way? Is there no soup in the freezer for you to microwave and eat? You expect me to microwave food in my son's house?
You are just... Ah! Tola, you would raise your hand against my mother!
When she humiliated me, you want this to get and just watch.
Every day you see videos online claiming that they know one AI tool that can create AI videos for you 100% free, and most times it's not usually the case. Well, on today's video I'm going to be showing you one of the best and totally free AI tools that you can use to generate AI videos as many as you want. It is free and it's unlimited. And you know the beautiful part, you already have this AI tool on your phone. Hi guys, my name is Jenny, but welcome to Everyday AI with Jane. On this page I teach you how to create with AI with the aim of monetization on your social media platforms. Now this AI tool I'm telling you about, you can use it at any time, any day. It is unlimited, but you have to know the tips and the tricks that will make it work excellently for you. We'll start first of all with our prompts that's going to contain our scripts. I have a prompt template for AI movies that I've created that's going to make you creating your AI movies, no matter the duration, very easy. If you want that document, just comment in the comment section AI movie prompt and I'm going to send it to you. Also, you can join our Telegram link that is going to be in the description. There I have my prompts bible. The AI tool we're going to be using today is YouTube. Yes, that YouTube that you have on your phone, that is the AI tool we are going to be using today to create our videos. Let me show you.
So the first thing we're going to do is to go on ChatGPT to create our script. And I have a script. I'll tell ChatGPT I want to create an AI movie, and I'll be creating the AI movie using Google Flow. I'm going to add some things to it. I'm going to say I want to create an AI animated movie. Now, if your movie is not AI animated form, it's not going to create on YouTube. Okay, so it's going to give me the character prompts and create the scene with my exact dialogue. So I've already told the chat the way the story is going to be. It's about a baker that comes and carries a cake on somebody's wedding day. So that's it. So I put it like this and I'm going to press the send button. ChatGPT has created it and I said it's going to keep it only 2 scenes because my video is very short. So we have the scenes. You're going to go on YouTube. Okay, open your normal YouTube. All of us, every one of us has YouTube. Okay, you're going to click this plus button here. Once your plus button is open, you're going to scroll over to here that it says short. Once your short is selected, you're going to click this button right here, this star button on top. So you can see what it says. It can create video, it can create photo to video, and it can create music. So you're going to click create video. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, because now allow us create character, we're going to go over to this scene prompt. Okay, here, this video scene prompt, and we're going to copy the same prompt because we want to do everything with YouTube. Okay, so I've copied same prompt. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste that same prompt and I'm going to press the send button. It's going to take some time to load.
Hey, stop it! You have not paid me my balance for this cake, oh. Auntie, please, after the wedding, we'll pay you.
So you can see that video has been done and it's generated very well. As you guys saw it play out. So what we're going to do is we're going to click over here and we're going to save it to our device. When you're creating AI movies, it's extremely important that you put yourself into it. Now, even though I'm giving you a prompt document, make sure that you have your own script, the story that you want to tell. Try to be as detailed as possible. So now I'm going to go to where I saved it on my device. I'm going to look for a portion here because I want to create where she carries the cake away. I'm going to take a screenshot of her. That's the baker. And I'm going to take a screenshot of the wedding and the cake. So we're now going to go back to our prompt and then we're going to copy the second scene of the prompt, okay? And we're going to copy it and then we're going to go back to YouTube, right? We're back on YouTube and so we're going to click the back button here. So here on the back button, we're going to click this our 3 dots again so that we can make the second scene. Click add image. And we're going to add a screenshot of the wedding scene and then we're going to add her own screenshot here, and then we are going to paste our prompt. Okay, so before that, we are going to explain who is using at image 1 to indicate the wedding scene, and the baker I will use at image 2. Okay, so that the AI tool can know what we are doing, and then we'll press the send button. So this also is going to take some time to load. So the video is done, and this is what it looks like.
Abi, you people have finished the wedding now. You don't need it again.
Bring our cake back!
What?
So I think it's very amazing. So the two things you must know when you're using YouTube is that it has to be in the animated style. So once you are done with your whole video, everything that you like this, you can now take it to your video editor. I'm going to click a new project and upload the 2 clips. So these are the 2 clips. Okay, so let's watch them together.
Hey, stop it! You have not paid me my balance for this cake, oh. Ah, auntie, please. After the wedding, we'll pay you. Abi, you people have finished the wedding now. You don't need it again.
Bring our cake back!
What?
So guys, that's the final video for today, and I hope that you learned something. Please, again, if you would like to have the prompt document, join my Telegram channel or comment AI movie prompt, and I'll send you the prompt document to make your life very easy in creating your AI movie using this AI tool. So guys, that's today's video. Thank you guys for watching. You can watch this video here and this video here, and you're going to learn something amazing and new. I'll see you guys on the next video.